Yes, anything?
But this item 15, my lord, it is listed today.
Item?
Item 15 of the hearing list, my lord.
15.
My lord. But I have some difficulty today. I have informed one of the juniors, my lord. If it is taken up anytime next week, my lord.
Who's the PM40? Shino. This matter has not been heard. Was it heard?
No, my lord, not exactly heard, my lord.
22.
Lordship, if your Lordship fixes next week, Lordship, because in
Yes,
this
I
matter.
have also prayed for next week, my lord. Can come up next week.
On premier by the respondent, state respondent, not objected to by petitioner. This is matter after 1 week.
My lord. Oblige, my lord.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 11. Conducting counsel is on leave, my lord.
2019 matter.
My lord.
I think this matter also was heard substantially.
At one point of time, it was part heard, yeah, Lordship.
Part heard, yes. You cannot just put it off, you know. These are old matters.
Short date may be released, my lord.
This is where the Darbarshonong is also a party.
It's a jurisdiction, the territorial dispute between like.
Darbarshonong proceeded ex parte against Darbarshonong, my lord.
Yes, Darbarshonong was respondent 7.
Yes, Lordship. Respondent 7.
You offer
Respondent number 6.
6.
Same of Muslim.
On pre-made by the General Counsel for the respondent number 6 seeking accommodation on the ground that the conducting counsel is indisposed. The same not being objected to by the petitioner. That is adjourned. List the same after 1 week.
Oblige, your Lordship. My lord, similar prayer for item number 13.
Who's for?
I'm from petitioner, your Lordship, in this matter.
On pre-made by the respondent, not objected to by petitioner. This is matter after 2 weeks.
Oblige, your Lordship.
Your Lordship, I have a prayer for item 12, your Lordship, on this matter, Lord. Praying for 2 weeks' time, your Lordship.
This is only on the issue of sentencing.
Sentence.
Vis-a-vis the penalty imposed, the fine,
Fine.
whether it can be reduced or not.
Yes, Lordship. No, your Lordship, in that other matter, your Lordship, is item 15, your Lordship.
That was item 15.
Or that
Item
is
15,
not
your
this.
Lordship. No, your Lordship.
On pre-made by the appellant, list this matter after 2 weeks.
I'll oblige, Lordship.
From supplementary list, item number 1.
You have that copy.
Lordship, I may be allowed to place on record the order of the Honorable Supreme Court.
Lordship, kindly come to page 8, your Lordship, second paragraph.
Yes.
Lordship. This code, your Lordship. This code is concerning the issue which arise due to non-consent of the cases of the like convict by various state for grant. Though this code is concerning the issue, we make it clear that if any petition are pending before the various High Court seeking writ of for grant of premature release, notwithstanding the pendency of this case in this court, the High Court will proceed to deal with the pending matters in accordance with law. So, Lordship, this case will have to proceed, Your Lordship. The only difficulty with us is that we have not filed the affidavit. So, kindly grant us time, Your Lordship, to file the affidavit.
Or read petition.
Lordship.
Heard Mr. B. Dev, General Counsel for the petitioner, who has produced a copy of the order of the Honorable Supreme Court passed in SMW Criminal number 4 of 2021, which is a matter having a direct nexus with the case in hand as far as the subject matter is concerned. That is the issue of
Premature release, Your Lordship.
issue of remission or premature release
Of life convicts.
of life convict.
Lordship.
The council would refer to an observation made by the direction made by the Honorable Supreme Court at page
8.
there's no
There is no paragraph, Your Lordship. That is at page 8, Your Lordship.
Page 8.
at para 2
Lordship, yes.
in or at should be in page 8 or at page 8.
Lordship, which if Lordship, then it maybe say like, which may be quoted here in Your Lordship. Lordship may.
I think we'll be, that will be
Lordship,
better.
yes. Lordship, that
Otherwise
will
you
be
can't
appropriate,
you
Lordship,
can't
yes.
really refer to it because
There is no para. There is no para, Your Lordship.
umum tu. The relevant direction made by the Supreme Court in this regard, which is extracted and reproduced herein as follows.
Lordship, yes.
In view of the said direction aforementioned, the learned AAG would submit that this matter may now proceed, and that the state respondent may be allowed to file the counter affidavit.
Lordship.
Accordingly,
3 weeks time, Your Lordship.
as
We are
prayed
seeking
for,
3
this matter
weeks.
will now proceed in its usual course, and the state respondents allowed to file their counter affidavit within the next date fix. As prayed for, this is matter after 3 weeks.
Apply, Your
Maybe 2
Lordship.
weeks, Lordship, as the matter is pending since 2020-22.
Give them
We
time
have
to
been waiting
study.
for so long.
Alright.
Apply, Your
You
Lordship.
might, you see, they will study the matter, and if you see, we are not saying that the state or any respondent for that matter would oppose for the sake of opposition.
Lordship.
If you have a legitimate case and they find that you are eligible, they'll do it.
Alright.
Apply, Your Lordship.
From daily list, item number 1.
Lordship, may it pleases Your Lordship. Lordship, these are the bill application, Your Lordship, as to which be filed whether under the old code. Some matter have been placed on Monday, Your Lordship. If this matter come up together on Monday, Your Lordship. Lordship.
We may not, it'll be too, we'll fix this matter on Friday. Next Friday.
Next Friday, Lordship.
Mr. Additional Leonard AAG has submitted that the issue as to the applicability of the old code, that is the CRPC 1973, or the new code, that is BNSS 2023, would be applicable in this case or not, is under consideration in a batch of related matters, hearing of which would take place on Monday.
Monday is 19, Your Lordship.
It is prayed that this matter may be adjourned for the time being. On premiere, seems allowed. This is matter on 23rd.
23rd, Lordship, yes. Apply, Your Lordship.
That will applicable for all three.
Two. What are two, Your Lordship?
Even
Yes.
3 is also a bill matter.
Similar matter.
It'll come along on the same day also.
So, same order.
Lodge. Apply, Your Lordship.
Much applied.
Item number 4.
Lordship, in this matter, one of the respondent had filed an appeal to your Lordship our last date order.
Oh, you are respondent 4.
Yes, Lordship. What
Now,
happened?
are you 4 or 7 now?
4, Lordship.
You are still 4.
Now what happened, Your Lordship? When the District Council has asked to remand the matter to dispose that representation, Your Lordship was allowed in the interim. Then that order has passed only in WPC 426, while in the other petition it's only list after 3 weeks. Now we cannot file a review of the other petition because in that 426 they have been deleted as parties, Your Lordship. So we have preferred an appeal only on that issue, Your Lordship.
You prefer an appeal?
Yes, Lordship. Now we cannot file a review before Your Lordship because in 426, Lordship has allowed us to delete the name of the other respondents. Now we are not a party in this 426, so we are not in a position to file a review before Your Lordship. That's the only to correct that one. Had the petitioner has filed a fresh news, withdrawn and filed a fresh suit, it would have been a fresh case. It had been a different position, Your Lordship. Now all confusion, Your Lordship.
So, what do we do?
This matter after 4 weeks, Your Lordship.
On pre-made by parties, this is matter after 4 weeks.
Item number 14.
Yes, miss. Tell me.
Your Lordship, in this case, the petitioner has expired, Your Lordship.
Yes. Oh, that issue of substitution. Who's appearing? Yes, miss.
Lordship is unlike before debate.
What you are there? You are in this case, isn't it?
Yes,
So tell us what is your instructions, or rather, what are your instructions?
Your Lordship, Mr. Piobin has some submission, Your Lordship, regarding judgment.
Or whether in view of the judgment earlier passed, the same the case of the deceased petitioner has been dealt with. Yes, miss. What is your instructions here?
I don't have any
You see, the
instructions.
only case here, as far as the deceased petitioner is concerned, is the assurance of the authorities. Your assurance that his matter, as far as MACP is concerned, is it MACP? Or whatever is his prayer, would be dealt with on disposal of the related matters. That is so. So you are to come to this court with instruction as to whether such whether the matter has been dealt with or not. What is your?
I'll take instructions on that, Your Lordship. Yes,
But
two more
that is
matters are still pending, Your Lordship.
What is pending?
2 more matters, connected matters, are still pending.
Are these also related to? Yes, Mr. Yubin, what is your submission?
My lord, this already my lord has passed judgment, because my case was that a committee was formed and a committee examined and says that I am eligible to get the second SCP also. But since there was a pendency of the similar matters in the before this honorable court, they were supposed to wait the outcome of that. So I've got a judgment of this. My lord has passed. I'm to be very honest, I'm yet to go through these, my lord. So if this matter can be taken up after 1 week, so that I'll be able to say what is the.
On pre-made by parties, list is matter after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, my lord.
That'll give you some time to.
My lord.
And in the meantime, you
My
see,
lord.
if you find that the judgment,
Yes.
which has already been delivered by this court,
Yes, my lord.
is related to your case,
Yes, my
you
lord.
can always approach the authorities,
Yes, yes, my lord.
and if they concede, then fine. If not,
My lord. My
you can
lord.
always agitate.
Yes, my lord. My lord. Obliged.
Item number 16.
Please, Lordship.
खाना खावा